Good morning and welcome to the St. Lawrence College Fall Virtual Open House. I am Mark Weldon. I'm the professor for the Pre-Service Firefighter Education and Training Program, which is only available at the Brockville campus. This is a 3-semester, 1-year program. And again, you can look at our website to look at the admission requirements and the program requirements. And the one note I would like to make sure everyone is aware of is the need for your first aid and CPR with the BLS certification attached to that. So a little bit of a change the last couple of years, and this is the requirement of the Red Cross Emergency Medical Responder Program, which will be part of our program in first semester. Like I said, this is a 3-semester, 1-year program, so that means it is a college certificate program, and it provides the necessary knowledge and skills to be successful in the firefighting career, as well as in the certification testing, which is provided by the Office of the Fire Marshal in Ontario. And again, one of the overviews of our program and one of the big plus of our program is the small class sizes and the more practical hands-on approach that we provide with the program. What will you get out of the program? Again, you will be job ready. We have roughly 250 hours more programming over the other 14 colleges that offer the pre-service program. We will help you achieve the 6 Pro Board NFPA certification, so a little bit unique, that we offer 1000 NFPA 1001, Firefighter 1 and 2, NFPA 1072, Hazmat Awareness and Operations. We also provide NFPA 1006, Chapter 5 Rope Competencies, and NFPA 1035, Life Safety Educator Level 1. We're a little bit unique. We offer the Red Cross EMR certified first responder program in first semester, and a little bit unique in that we do offer the testing in-house. It's provided by a Red Cross service provider. So when the student has completed the program course in first semester, they will also be certified to the Red Cross certification. We have a great network of instructors from all over Eastern Ontario, from 6 career departments and a couple of paid on-call departments as well. We have instructors from Toronto, Belleville, Kingston, Brockville, Cornwall, Ottawa, as well as Elizabethtown, Kittley, and Brockville Fire Department is our host department. And some of the job available to the students are career firefighter, of course, industrial firefighter, military firefighter, paid on-call firefighter, fire protection and prevention, and Ministry of Natural Resources firefighter. And why would you want to choose SLC and the Brockville program? Is the small class size, the extra hours in the program, as well as Brockville is a very family community oriented, as well as the city and the campus, and you do truly have instructors who care about your success. And a couple of the alumni stories, we're very fortunate to have Danielle Murphy, who was a graduate in 2013. She is Belleville's first full-time female firefighter, and she's also an instructor in our program. And as well, you can see Jake Stevenson, who graduated in 2017, is a career firefighter with the St. Catharines Fire Department, his hometown. Again, just who we are. My name is Mark Weldon. I am a captain, and I'm also the coordinator and professor for the program, and I'm full-time here at the college. The other full-time instructor in our program is Captain Chris Paul. He is the program technologist. And like I said before, we have a number of part-time instructors from all over Eastern Ontario and Toronto to help deliver the program to you. Again, just a quick overview of the pre-service firefighter education and training program at St. Lawrence College at the Brockville campus. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the fall of 2021.